Hi guys, today I'm going to do a quick review on this IKEA's children's table set. This table set actually comes with 2 chairs. I only assembled one because I only have one girl. This table comes with a white top and it comes with all the tools you need to assemble it. Very easy to assemble. I let my girl to play and eat at this table and it's very easy to clean it. As for the chair, it can support my girl's weight totally fine. Very sturdy, I like it. To make the chair more comfortable to sit on it, I add on the cushion to it. Let me show you the cushion that I'm using on this chair. This is the cushion that I'm using and I got this from Walmart. It is a pretty big piece of cushion. It's enough for making 2 chairs. It's totally thick enough and soft enough to sit on. The price is decent too. As for the cloth, I got this from Walmart too. It seems this table set is always out of stock, so I recommend you do check online before you head out to IKEA. That's all from my review today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.